killed another man today. Shot him in his back as he ran away. Then I blew up his hut with a hand grenade. Cut his wife throat and she put her hands to pray. Just 5 more dogs, then we can get a soccer ball. That's what my commander say. How old? Well, I'm like 10, 11. Been fighting since I was like 6 or 7. Now I don't know much about where I'm from, but I know I strike fear everywhere I come. Government want me dead, so I wear my gun. I really want the rocket launcher, but I'm still too young. This candy give me courage not to fear no one, to feel no pain and hear no tongue. So I hear no screams and I shed no tear. If I'm in your dreams, then your end is near.
Little weapon, little weapon, little weapon. We're calling you. There's a war, if the guns are just too tall for you. Find you something small to use. Little weapon, a little weapon, a little weapon. Use you now, now.
Now here comes the march of the boy brigade, a macabre parade of the toys he made, and shamargs and shades who look half his age, about half the size of the flags they wave, and camouflage suits made to fit youths, cause the ones off the dead soldiers hang a little loose, with AK-47s that they shooting in the heaven like they trying to kill a Jetsons and struggles little recruits, cute, smiling.
Povedz nám, ako sa bavíš, ako sa bavíš?
Je to úplná jeba, proste nemám slov, úplne paráda.
Po piči, úplne po piči. Devecko, kurva.
Tak, ako sa on baví? Ako sa baví? Ako sa máš?
Very good.
Si do Slovenska?
Nie.
Máš taký slabší hlas, taký neprecítený.
A moja učiteľka slovenčiny povedala, že je veľmi výrazný.
Hej, tak máš...
Som na pochybách.
Po piči! Boli sme tam, ale vyhrali sme to.
Vyhrali sme to, že vraj?
Neviem, je tu fajn hudba, super ľudia, neviem čo viac povedať.
Proste super akcia, veľa ľudí, dobrá hudba, všetci sa bavia. Dovidenia.
Your moms make the room silent. She don't approve of violent games. She leave, resume activity. Starting blow hearts apart, sharp wizardry.